As we have seen that mixtures can be separated in the component by means of physical method. So here we are beginning some physical method. The very first method I will tell that magnetic method. In this method, as you know very well that magnetic properties having substance can be separated. That we have studied under the heading iron and sulfur mixture, that iron was separated. Whenever any one component has the magnetic properties, it will cling towards the magnet. Second method, filtration. This method depends on one solid and one liquid. It means the principle of the method is that immiscible solids in liquid. Solids can be separated by it because liquid will pass out with the filter paper. Pass through filter paper. Here you will prepare filter paper in this manner, double fold, then one more fold, you will prepare one of the conic type section and it will be kept in the test tube. Then what will happen? It is your filter paper, then from the pores of filter paper, liquid will pass out. So, pause. Suppose it is a filter paper, you will double fold, again one more fold will be, then three sides will be taken as this one and one side will remain here. It is filter paper then. It is normal paper right now. You will fit in the funnel and you will pour the liquid and solid. Solid will remain as residue here, यानी बचा हुआ portion funnel पर उसको आप क्या कहते हो? Residue. And नीचे जो आएगा वो क्या कहलाएगा? Filtrate. What it is? Filtrate. So what meaning of filtrate and residue is clear? Now, next point, normal strainer means चार छलनी आप use करते हो. In perfect example, it is that tea leaves can be separated from your simple chalni, or you can say strainer. By means of strainer, you can remove tea leaves from tea. Then, next method, that is vaporization or evaporation. Both. You know very well that salt is prepared where nearby seaside in a huge area water is spread it over some material, cloth or something, then automatically due to hot sun or sunlight the water will escape out, means water will remove, पानी अलग हो जाता है और अपने आप से क्या बनता है? क्रूड नमक, कच्चा नमक. इसका फिर से क्या करेंगे आप? प्यूरिफिकेशन करेंगे. So that is about evaporation. For vaporization, you can heat something over the china dish. Then what will happen? Liquid will remove. Volatile liquid, or if it is water, then water can remove and solid will remain. Sometimes what happens that below the vaporization, like sugar, charring can be done, or you can say like sugar को आप गर्म करोगे डायरेक्ट चाइना डिश में या किसी बर्तन में, क्या होगा? ब्लैक हो जाएगा वो. Charring of sugar or chemical change can occur. Or below the vaporization, if डिकम्पोजिशन ना कर, यानी कि कंपाउंड अपने आप से कहीं कोई केमिकल चेंज कर लेता है, डिकम्पोजिशन ना कर, डायरेक्ट हीटिंग इज नॉट अलाउड. Then what we have to do? Okay, for that purpose we will take a beaker. Then we will put the dish over here and sample is here. This beaker is heated. Over a stand, beaker is kept. कोई भी चीज हवा में नहीं लटकाए, एग्जाम में भी मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे आपको. Okay, so here beaker is taken over the tripod stand. Beaker is kept. Wire gauze is there, and this burner is kept. Here water is taken. तो वाटर की जो स्टीम आएगी उससे क्या होगा, ये सैंपल डिश में हीट होगा. हीट होने पर क्या होगा, लिक्विड विल इवेपोरेट एंड सॉलिड विल रिमेन. Like for black ink we can do, and if sugar is present somewhere, then for this also we can do. Okay, next method we will continue. Please draw the diagrams in the notes positively. I have not drawn. Use your NCERT and draw the diagrams positively. Next method is sublimation. You have studied previously also. This method can be used. I am giving example only, that ammonium chloride and sodium chloride table salt. यानी आपको नौसादा और नमक दोनों एक साथ दे दिए. इन दी वर्जन नेमिंग नौसादा दोनों एक साथ दे दिए. आप सेपरेट कैसे करोगे? ओके, सोडियम क्लोराइड. दोनों अलग करने के लिए क्या करोगे? पहला पॉइंट, दोनों ही वाटर सॉल्युबल है, यानी फिल्ट्रेशन मेथड नहीं कर सकते. Then you need to do sublimation. What will happen? Here experimental setup like this. Burner, tripod stand, wire goes as it is. You are taking china dish. In the china dish, mixture of NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, and mixture of table salt is here. Okay, this full mixture is here. Then what will happen? Over the inverted funnel, where glass wool is here. Glass wool is important part, or you can say wool is here, cotton wool, means it is covered in one. What will happen? Vapors will come here and it will be deposited throughout the conical flask. इसके ऊपर पूरी पर जमा होगा. क्या होगा जमा? सोडियम क्लोराइड or ammonium chloride. You need to give answer. Okay, ammonium chloride. So many more questions may be here rather than this one. Sand and ammonium chloride, iodine and sodium chloride. Many more questions may be. You know, you have the complete list of sublimating substance. Now we continue our separation method later on. Thank you.